Okay, remember the video, just previous video, where we were clearing out this trench right here where the spring goes down all the way to the creek, and we had cleared that part out and had actually made a trough right down here, made a little clear pathway so that the water, when it rained, it was an experiment to see if the water really would stay in the trench and not run all the way across the yard into the garden. Well, guess what? It rained last night, and the rain actually came out of this pipe right here and ran all the way across like we expected, and it stayed in this trench right here all the way down to the part near the creek, and it worked just perfect. So just watch it next. I'm not gonna have any talking on the next part because during this rainstorm we were all on the porch talking all at once, so it's kind of loud. Anyway, so just take a look at that, how it rained, and now this trench is cleared out, and now Dad has leveled this off so it looks nicer. So then the next time it rains again, then it will be a really good place for it to run off.